The spring, the happy time of singing birds has come, and so has the name of April, named after the word aperio, meaning to open. And all the flowers are opening and the sun is shining. So welcome to our first virtual show. We have all the wonderful experiences you would expect by visiting a show in the flesh. Demonstrations, talks, how-tos, and then right at the end of the month, our competition springtime. So you have the whole of April to dip in and out as you will and enjoy this lovely experience. A big thank you to all who have contributed to it, and I do hope you enjoy it. I certainly am going to. Bye-bye.